Hey guys, Salty Mer's back again today. Real quick, I just want to kind of go through two things with you. I want to start off first and foremost with Zynga. Zynga right now, it's at $9.80. I personally, as you can see, I have 200 shares of it right now. I might put some more money into it. We'll see. I have some money to play with right now. Since I sold off my Bitcoin right now until it settles down. I'll show you that in a second. Anyway, if you're looking at Zynga, they've just been upgraded. Wells Fargo upgraded them, as we can see. And if we go to their chart here, they were in a little bit of the overbought territory. I don't necessarily agree with the RSI on here. If we look back at week, month, whatever, we have an upward progression here. If you look at the strength index, we have an upward progression. So the lowest low on the 16th and the lowest low on the 17th. It's kind of going. It's an upwarding trend. Same. I mean, I don't even have to explain that. You can just see for the price chart itself, it's going up, up, and away. Is it going to go to $100? Probably not. We'll be lucky to see it at $20. In the middle of next year, I would say. But with the last 3 months, how it's gone, it's up $1.19, and that's including there was a huge, not a huge drop off, I would say, but yeah, it was about a $2 drop off back in November. I don't see that happening right now, just because there's some debt acquisition going on. Essentially, that is going to help Zynga lead the way forward to profitability. And the great thing about profitability is we can see on their earnings per share, as long as they stay positive, people are going to be pretty happy with this company. So right now, I'm going to put my money in. I'm going to leave it there. Even if they do dip back down to like $9.50 or whatever, I'm just going to leave it there. I do think in the next year it's going to increase. So this is going to be a long position for me. I don't foresee myself taking it out. Now that we discussed this real quick, and even today I'm up 61 bucks on it. But anyway, now we talked about Zynga real quick. Let me just briefly talk about Bitcoin. I know yesterday I had a video come out, and two videos that I came out, and I said the support level was going to be around 22,500 to 23,000. I don't disagree with that necessarily. Again, this may show me to be wrong, but if I go back here, 1 day strength index, actually let's go to the week so we can see where this upward trend here, where it started on the 16th, we were at barely 20,000, and we peaked on the 17th up at 23,631, and we leveled off to 23 to 22.9. Well, let's look at where this strength index is going. This strength index was saying it was way overbought as it made its jump up, but as it peaked off and leveled out at 23, it was showing us that it was a neutral territory where it was going to be leveled off. Now that it's kind of coming down, we can see where it's coming down again from 23 and to where it is now at 22.4. The strength index is showing that it's maybe a little oversold. But it's kind of leveling out as far as the strength index goes. I see this downward trend here, and you can see from this point right here, I wish I could draw on here, from this point right here to this point, you can essentially draw a straight line that's going to show exactly where we're going here. I would imagine we're going to probably level off today around 22.5 and stay at 22.5. It's going to go up and down. We'll see what it does. I might be wrong again. This might drop all the way back down to 20. It may peak up to 25 in a day. Bitcoin is so hard to predict, but as far as what I see on the strength index and the average, I would be willing to say that this is going to level off at 22.5. Whether it levels off at 22.5 today or tomorrow, it's going to be hard to tell. Especially if people are going to keep selling and other people are going to use this as a buying opportunity. And I don't blame you. I would use it as a buying opportunity because if at the very least we see nothing in the last 3 months, it's done a dramatic increase in the last year. it's done a dramatic increase. I regret not buying back here. I could have bought. I should have bought. I didn't believe in Bitcoin really back here, but oh, do I believe in Bitcoin now? So I'm not trying to sell you on it, but because I personally, I'll show you. I personally took my money out of it. I leave $1 in just so I can have it at the top of my list and watch. Um, this is a little skewed, but I'm gonna wait until it hits back at 22.5, I believe, and then when it hits back at 22.5 and levels off, I'll put my money back into Bitcoin. Um, yeah, we'll see what happens. Don't miss out. So that's all I have for now. Like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you think. Give me some recommendations. I appreciate all the feedback, and I appreciate your views. I'll try to say a little less.